to code this picture using the not equal to method. We get this question all the time. So hopefully this will be a quick video that you can learn how to do it. And then you can download this activity as well if you want to. At the end, I'll make sure to link it with all the other ones as well. So to do that, I do have that worksheet created here. We've done a couple of videos while I created this one, how to format the divisions here, and the answers will be the ones up here in those orange fields. So I'm going to start off with this 213 one. What I like doing is just selecting it and then looking at it to see what which one is it, which field is it. So this field is C4. So that's what I want my conditional format to read. And because we're using that not equal to method, we need the background color. So I'm going to click on that, make sure I know exactly which color it is. It's this first one on the custom. And what we're going to tell the software to do is that if the answer is not 213, then we want it to stay the background color. And if it is, then it'll turn whatever color is there. So in this one, we don't have to set color by color. So if you are one of those teachers that like just sporadic colors everywhere, this is perfect. I'm just holding control down and selecting a bunch of different, again, it doesn't matter which one it is. You can do large sections like this. It does not matter. Right, so I'm just gonna, because we don't have that many questions and this is quite a large pixel activity, you do have to select a lot. So I'm just gonna keep going. We need a bunch of them, we need a bunch of them. And you can also do it more than once after. So you can copy and paste. I'm gonna do, I don't know, let's do, it doesn't matter even if you select background colors. Okay, so I'm going to right click, go to conditional formatting, and then I want to say if custom formula, and we're going to say equals, if C, so we can lock this down, if C4, oh, look at it, and we're going to say is not equal to, so if C4 is not equal to 213, so notice how, stop Angie, notice how it turned back color. It's because this is true. So it is 213. So since C4 is 213, nothing's happening. But if it isn't, I want it to turn to that background color. Okay, so I'm going to close this and I'm going to erase this. So notice how now they're all gone. They're the background color. And if I put in a wrong answer, 222, well, that's not 213, so it's going to stay that way. So it's only going to work if they put in the correct answer. Super simple. I'm going to go back now and do the rest. I'm just going to select large chunks so that we can go faster. And again, it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter if you overlap colors. I don't want this one because we've already selected that one. And so I don't want to select duplicates. It doesn't matter if you do. But I don't want there to be two conditional formats on the same one. Then I'm just going to select some sporadic ones here. A little bit of that. A little bit of here. A little bit of here. Sorry, you can hear my daughter in the background. And right click conditional formatting. And now in this one, we want to say if C11 is not equal to 44, wait until it turns the right color to make sure you have it correct. And then we're going to say turn the background color. Done. And there it goes. And we can keep going, and that's all there is to it. When you're done, you're done. And when you're done, you can share it with students. As always, make sure that you do delete all the answers before sharing them with students. This was under 5 minutes. I will see you on the next one. Bye.